This ALIUNI Non-Slip Drawer Liner in the 18-inch by 30-foot size offers a thick, cushioned surface that keeps dishes and utensils from sliding around in drawers and cabinets. Its double-sided textured design grips both the shelf and your items without any adhesive, so it stays put yet lifts out easily for rearranging or cleaning. The material is water and oil resistant, making it practical for under-sink areas or pantry shelves where spills and moisture are common, and it wipes clean with minimal effort. Because the liner can be trimmed cleanly with scissors, it is simple to fit into oddly shaped shelves, wire racks, or bathroom cabinets without frayed edges. The polyvinyl chloride construction feels sturdy and substantial in the hand, providing long-lasting protection against scratches and scuffs on wood or painted surfaces. Unlike some thinner liners that curl at the corners, this one lies flat along the edges, giving drawers and cupboards a tidy, finished look while improving organization.